Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll share with you how I make sparkling blueberry lemonade. It's a perfect drink for hot summer days. You can easily find the ingredients in your local supermarket and it's also incredibly simple to make. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's get started. Ingredients we need to make this refreshing drink. Let's prepare simple sugar syrup. Combine 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of water in a small saucepan. Place over medium-low heat and stir frequently until sugar is dissolved. Sugar syrup is done. Turn off the flame, set it aside, let it cool down. It should be at room temperature. In a blender, add 1 cup of blueberries and half a cup of water. Blend on medium-high speed for about 1 minute until the blueberries are completely pureed. Strain the blueberry puree through a fine sieve or skip this step if you don't mind small pieces of blueberries in your lemonade. Use a spoon or a spatula to press and extract the juice. Discard remaining pulp. Here I've got juice of 2 lemons, some sugar syrup, blueberry extract, sparkling water and ice cubes. Time to make our sparkling blueberry lemonade. Into a glass, add some ice cubes, some lemon juice, sugar syrup, blueberry extract and sparkling water. There you have it, quick and easy to prepare refreshing blueberry lemonade. Amaze your family and friends with this delicious refreshing drink. Share your thoughts about this recipe in the comment section below. Consider subscribing and press the bell button to get notifications every time I post a new recipe. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Happy cooking!